What's going on, everybody? Ercan with Suds to Success podcast. Got another quick tip video for you today. Before we start, forgive me for my voice. It's kind of just leaving me. I was sick all week this week, so my voice is not keeping up. So, really quickly, how to keep your feet dry. Rain boots, absolute game changer. Forget all the waterproof shoes, all that expensive waterproof shoes that don't work. Get yourself a pair of rain boots, 35 bucks, 40 bucks. You could get really expensive ones that have like insulation stuff. We've never really needed it, even in the winter. We hated the feeling of just wet socks, wet shoes. And they always ended up smelling really bad, and the shoe would wear down or rip faster. So for us, getting these rain boots, it saves us a lot on socks. Saves our nostrils and our friends and family's nostrils, believe it or not. And the uncomfortability. These, you think they're rain boots, they're not too comfortable. They're pretty comfortable. Sometimes I'll keep them on for like half the detail and I'll forget I'm wearing them. But I really like them just because they're longer and you can kind of stick your pant leg through. Even if water splashes onto you, it's usually like on the top half. So by the time it gets to the bottom, it's probably already dry. But we've loved these ever since we've got them. It was like the first day we wore rain boots washing a car. It was like, oh my God, no more no more wet feet. Absolute game changer. So if you're tired of wet feet and wet socks, get yourself a pair of rain boots. You're gonna feel so much more comfortable detailing, and it's gonna be an absolute game changer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below. Maybe you have a pair of shoes that are waterproof and you really like them. Or if you've tried rain boots in the past, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Take care, everybody.